Hi, I'm Kevin Michael Martin and welcome. More importantly, thank you for joining me as I begin to launch something very exciting and dear to me, the Get Money Right project. Get Money Right, at its heart, is an advocacy campaign designed to help empower people through financial knowledge. So, why do this now? Well, I think it's safe to say that a lot of people feel the nation is a little bit at odds, to say the least. And one of the main reasons for that is the average American fears financial insecurity, and they worry that they won't earn enough to provide for their future, to support their families, or to retire peacefully the way they want. The fact of the matter is, the wealth gap between classes has never been bigger, and it only seems to be growing. Not only is that scary for most, but it's personally frustrating for me because some of that, those fears, we have the power to change. The harsh truth is that most people in America don't know how to manage their money, and that has a direct impact on the economy. I mean, think about it. We are trained to make money, then spend it, and then repeat. And it becomes this never-ending cycle where we feel we can never get ahead. Now, sure, we can blame Wall Street or the politicians in DC, or, and hear me out, we can choose to take control of our own financial future through wise investing. Investing doesn't need to be this overly complicated nightmare, though the finance world may want you to think that. I promise, investing can be made simple. You just need to make the initial decision to start learning. That's why I started Get Money Right, to show people that something that might seem intimidating can actually be both fun and quite profitable. So, over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to upload some how-to videos on YouTube, showcasing what I've learned on my own investment journeys, as well as hopefully adding some funny commentary on how to get your feet wet in the financial world. And we got a lot to cover, but don't worry about it. I'm also going to upload some in-depth research onto my own website, getmoneyright.org. Now please, like, comment, share, ask questions on all social media platforms using hashtag GetMoneyRight. And I'll do my best to comment alongside you and respond to any of the questions you might have. You worked hard for your money. I'll let it work hard for you. Let's get money right.